Okay. Like this guy had some moves. Not a lot of moves. He's turning around. Look at him turn around. Oh my god. Oh! Look at dance moves! Oh! Look at him! He's like a true professional. Oh! Look at this! This is pure epicness. Oh, champagne showers! Oh! Oh! Oh, look at his moves! It's like unbelievably good. Like, who would have thought of that? Like, look at it. Oh, he's doing something. Oh, he just dropped his gum. He dropped his gum. Oh, he dropped his gum. Oh, he's still dancing though. It look like he's still dancing. Oh, ooh, the butt booty. Oh my God, look at him. He's like dancing so good. Oh, he just put his gum on the table. I repeat, he put his gum on the table. And people will be calling him Dumb Guy. Yeah. It's all over the table. Oh. Oh, look like he's doing the same moves that he did. But look in the bright side. He's really putting this to work. Hey, look at his dance moves. Oh! Oh, you see that? Did y'all see that? Oh my God. Y'all seen that? Look, did y'all see that? That wasn't no, like, fake spin. That was look at him. He's doing some dance moves. Wait, he's silent. He picked up his gum. Is it going to put it in his mouth? Oh no. Oh, he's dancing. Oh my God. This is probably the best dancer I've ever seen today. No, in the world. He's like the best one. Oh my God. Disco Satan Train 1 won't even beat this guy. And Disco Satan Train 1 is a good dancer. Oh, and the best part is his channel is Jamaican Champion. This guy that's dancing right here is named Jamaican Champion. All you have to do is subscribe to him. Champagne showers. Oh my God. Oh my God, what this guy's gonna do? Oh my God. 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 Oh my God.